Hello friend, now I show you our rubber silent wall. I show you this material, rubber material. You can check, it's very silent, you can check. It's very quiet. You can check. Very quiet, you can check. Nothing noisy. You can check. Nothing noisy. And this with you can check. Very quiet. You can check. Like this. You can see. Quality very good, and the price also is very high. And this tape is a bad tape. You can check. When this wall when run, the noise is very high. I show you. Check. And this nothing noisy. Very quiet. And the price is very high, quality is very good. You can check. We just use the best quality.